To understand SQL injection, we should know basic terms of the database systems first. A database is an organized collection of data. It is a collection of schemas, tables, queries, reports, views, and other objects. A database management system, DBMS, is a computer software application that interacts with end users, other applications, and the database itself to capture and analyze data. A general-purpose DBMS allows the definition, creation, querying, update, and administration of databases. Well-known database management systems include Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server, PostgreSQL, etc. Structured Query Language, SQL, is a language used in programming and designed for managing data held in a relational database management system, RDBMS. SQL became a standard of the ANSI, American National Standards Institute, in 1986, and of the ISO, International Organization for Standardization, in 1987. Since then, the standard has been revised to include a larger set of features. Despite the existence of such standards, though, most SQL code is not completely portable among different database systems without adjustments. Here, there is a select query example. The SQL select statement returns a result set of records from one or more tables. A select statement retrieves 0 or more rows from one or more database tables or database views. Select is the most commonly used data query language, or DQL, command. In the example shown on the slide, we have a table named Client. Client table has 4 fields: name, surname, age, and gender. There are 4 records in the client table. In the select sentence, we want name and surname fields of the client table records, where the value of the age field of the records is greater than 30. So the result of this select sentence will be the name and surname values of these 2 records. There are a lot of code injection vulnerabilities as a result of the input and output manipulation, such as operating system code injection, XML injection, HTML script injection, object injection. Now, the most famous code injection is SQL injection. SQL injection is used to attack data-driven applications, in which nefarious SQL statements are inserted into an entry field for execution. For example, to dump the database contents to the attacker. SQL injection must exploit a security vulnerability in an application software. For example, when a user input is either incorrectly filtered for string literal escape characters embedded in SQL statements, or user input is not strongly typed and unexpectedly executed. In the SQL injection scenario, the parameter which is used to produce unexpected results is sent to the server. The parameter is not sanitized adequately on the server side. The server prepares the SQL string which will cause the unexpected result and sends it to the database management server, and the result is returned to the web server. The web server processes the query result, prepares the response, and sends it to the user. SQL injection attacks allow attackers to spoof identity, tamper with existing data, such as voiding transactions or changing balances, allow the complete disclosure of all data on the system, destroy the data, or make it otherwise unavailable, and become administrators of the database server.